Want to make money while studying, without sacrificing your grades? In this video, I'll show you 6 powerful side hustles that students can start in 2025, no experience needed. Stick around, because hustle number 6 could turn into a full-time business. Let's dive in. Quick intro and why side hustles matter. With tuition fees and living expenses rising, having a side hustle isn't just extra cash, it's financial freedom. And the best part? These side hustles are perfect for students, requiring minimal time and investment. Side hustle number 1. Freelance writing and content creation. First up, freelance writing and content creation. If you have a way with words, you can make anywhere from $50 to $500 per project. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Textbroker are gold mines for beginner writers. Pro tip: specialize in high-demand niches like tech, finance, or health to increase your rate. Side hustle number 2. Print-on-demand business. Ever dreamed of starting your own brand? With print-on-demand, you can design and sell t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. Websites like Printify and Redbubble handle printing and shipping for you. Tools like Canva and Midjourney can help you create stunning designs. Side hustle number 3. Social media management. Businesses desperately need social media managers to grow their brands. If you love Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, offer your services to local businesses or online brands. Use tools like Canva for content and Hootsuite for scheduling. Many students make $500 to $2,000 per month managing just a few accounts. Side hustle number 4. Online tutoring and course creation. If you're great at math, science, or even a language, why not teach others and get paid? Websites like Wiseant, Preply, and TutorMe let you tutor online. Want passive income? Create a mini course on Udemy or Gumroad, record it once and earn forever. Side hustle number 5. Reselling and flipping items. Did you know students are making thousands just by flipping sneakers, gadgets, or thrifted clothes? Apps like eBay, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to buy low and sell high. A $10 thrift store find can sell for $100 plus with the right buyer. Side hustle number 6. Affiliate marketing and digital products. And finally, the most scalable side hustle, affiliate marketing and digital products. Share product links and earn commissions every time someone buys. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Impact offer thousands of products to promote. Want more control? Create digital products like ebooks or Notion templates. Some students earn $5,000 plus per month passively, and there you have it. 6 side hustles perfect for students in 2025. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making tip from Net Worth Nest. See you in the next video.